Welcome to F and Sharp's video on deboning and butterflying chicken breasts. Make sure to check out F and Sharp's video on breaking down a whole chicken. Here I'm repeating a step by taking your F and Sharp chef's knife, working along the line of the breasts, cutting through the rib cage, finding the joints, and at the easiest point, putting a little pressure while removing the chicken breast from the whole chicken. You may recall seeing packages of split chicken breast at your local grocer, and this is exactly what it is. With your F and Sharp chef's knife, right down the middle, a little pressure, and you have your split chicken breasts. Now use your F and Sharp boning knife to get in tight along the rib cage to go ahead and remove the chicken breast. I'm going to go ahead and just take off the bits on either side to clean it up. To butterfly a chicken breast, lay it flat on your cutting board, find the thickest part, go halfway in between, and cut horizontally as you're opening it up or butterflying it, or think of as a book. You want to go just about completely through without losing that book binding to hold it together. Once more with the second breast, again the boning knife against the rib cage, work in small slices, taking the breast off, cleaning it up, and like a butterfly we're going to slice horizontally, opening up those butterfly wings, making sure not to slice all the way through. Now you're all set.